Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing review on iPhone 8 Plus, brand new, just got it today, so let's see. Alright, front glass, it also has a glass in the back, awesome. Let's set up a fingerprint, this should be quick. Let me get rid of this real quick. Set up iCloud. Here we go. Asking for passcode. There we go. Let's get rid of this. Okay, we're in. Let's check the Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
Here's the weather today.
Alright, this is iPhone 8 Plus.
I'll keep this.